The agencies of actress Seo Ji-hye and actor Kim Jong-un quickly denied reports that they are dating. On April 8, according to Sports Chosun, Seo Ji-hye and Kim Jong-un developed their relationship and began seeing each other after finishing their drama series Crash Landing on You. Seo Ji-hye and Kim Jong-un co-starred on the hit TVN series Crash Landing on You as lovers. In response to the report, Seo Ji-hye's agency stated, according to YTN Star, this is Kim Jong-un's agency has to say.